All right, we back once again. Don't forget about the sale coming up with Tickeron. Use the link in the description for to help me out. Obviously, but you get some pretty nice little discounts. 79% off the buy and sell daily signals. So definitely go check that out. What I wanted to go over is just a little bit of what Tickeron is predicting here with this AI engine. Basically, look at all this stuff that's just nasty looking, basically, all your favorites are bearish, according to Tickeron, but it's only showing, about a 2% target here. But the confidences are really high on the sell side. So we're looking at Amzn here. Was bearish 4 days ago. Target hit, bearish, target hit. So now we're sitting on a third bearish signal with another minus 2% to go. TLT, now TLT being down would be really bad. So all the predictions here for TLT have been hit. They're not huge. But hey, say you've got you want to collect 2 or 3%. On a fairly decent sized position with TLT, a really super liquid ETF, you can definitely do that. So there's your prediction for TLT. Bonds being down, not good for the market. So that aligns with all of this. Gold being down, not good for the market. Even though it's good for inflation prospects, you don't want to see these. You don't want to see gold and TLT predicted down. Was bearish on the 22nd. Gold doesn't move normal from what I've seen. So definitely I'll keep an eye out on gold. If that one starts to break down, you'll probably see the markets get really soft. Adobe even getting bearish. I've been bearish on Adobe since earnings. Not sure how it's held up so well. I guess it's maybe just the post-earnings drift. Even though the drift should be down, I think that's what this is predicting, is a post-earnings drift down. So we shall see if that is the case. But it is predicting it got hit with the 1.7. I'm not sure what this minus 0% is, but obviously that one got hit. Still saying down on all that. I see some softness in Bitcoin as of right now. I did get an alert from Tickeron that Bitcoin was actually downgraded to a sell. So Bitcoin being down as well. All this being down. So the AI bot is predicting all the fun stuff from 2020 and 2021 being bearish. More predictions here from yesterday. All the targets hit on the last 3 predictions on Tesla. So pretty good track record on Tesla. Even though again we got the 0% there. That's nothing. But again, we're sitting bearish there. Nvidia sitting bearish. Again, that doesn't matter. So odds of success here. So you get some pretty good odds on your money for success here on all these shorts here. So pick your poison on those. QQQ, obviously that would be bearish if we're seeing Nvidia, Tesla, Adobe, Amazon all bearish. Apple even bearish as of yesterday. Kind of hit that 143 today, and that was it. That was all she wrote for Apple. That was basically all she wrote. SPY even, that would make sense. Apple and SPY and Tesla being down, and Amazon, Meta even. Wow, Meta's probably going to completely collapse. It had a little bit of a short cover, I think, recently, but that's not good. And then even the Dow being bearish. So here's a quick hit on what's coming up within the next week. This all makes sense to me, given what's coming up with the end of quarter expiration, all the flows and everything. There's going to be some fireworks, I think, to the downside coming up shortly. So this all aligns with that. Within the next month, we got basically bullish dollar, versus the CAD and JPY. This is a pretty common thing that I've been seeing, and see the predictions here. Not reached yet. So the predictions, they keep saying bullish, but they haven't really been able to hit that 1% target, which in Forex is probably a little bit harder to do, given Forex just barely moves. It's more sideways. Some more Tesla bearish. All the same stuff from the predictions for the next week are also bearish the next month. Here's a Chewy, so we'll keep that one on watch. IWM, Google even showing up here for the next month. Pound, that one's interesting. I think that one's more looked at like a safe haven. I'm still kind of learning how Forex markets are treated, sort of to get some leading indicators with those. We got TLT again bearish for the next week and month, and then it's the same common culprits here. So this kind of sort of tells me that inflation's going to rear its ugly head again here soon, and it sort of makes sense given the fact that the Fed probably needs to raise rates to like 25% to get this inflation under control, but they can't. So definitely going to stay bearish on all of these positions here into the next week and the next month. So there's no reason to start thinking that you can call the bottom here, as far as I can tell. So hopefully you like this. Again, don't forget, go check this out on Tickeron, the sale coming up, and get yours. And anyways, we'll see you next time. Peace.